Tony Robbins is widely known as a self-help guru, motivational speaker, and life coach, but his insights into wealth and financial management have also captured global attention. Through his books, seminars, and podcasts, Robbins has shared strategies for achieving financial freedom that combine practical financial advice with a powerful psychological approach. In his book, Money, Master the Game, Robbins interviewed over 50 financial experts, including billionaire investors like Warren Buffett and Ray Dalio, and distilled their insights into actionable strategies. Robbins advocates for a disciplined, long-term approach to wealth building, emphasizing the importance of mindset, investment strategies, and managing financial risks. This script will dive into the wealth tips Tony Robbins offers and how they can lead individuals toward financial freedom. From psychological shifts to specific investment strategies, Robbins' advice offers a roadmap to building wealth. 1. The psychology of wealth, mastering your mindset. Before diving into specific financial strategies, Tony Robbins emphasizes the importance of developing the right mindset. According to him, wealth isn't just about accumulating money, it's also about mastering the psychology of abundance. Here are the key psychological shifts Robbins suggests to achieve financial success. A. The power of belief. Robbins argues that what you believe about money will ultimately shape your financial destiny. He stresses that many people have limiting beliefs that hold them back from achieving wealth. For example, beliefs like, money is the root of all evil, or I'll never be rich, create mental barriers to financial growth. Robbins urges individuals to replace these limiting beliefs with empowering ones, such as, I am capable of generating wealth, or money is a tool for creating freedom. B. Shifting from scarcity to abundance. One of Robbins' central teachings is shifting from a scarcity mindset, where you see money as limited and hard to come by, to an abundance mindset. This doesn't mean spending recklessly, but understanding that wealth can grow exponentially if managed wisely. People with an abundance mindset tend to take calculated risks, seek opportunities, and approach wealth building from a position of confidence and optimism. C. Focus on value creation. Wealth, according to Robbins, is a reflection of the value you bring to others. He encourages individuals to focus on how they can create value, solve problems, and serve people, as wealth will follow naturally when you contribute to others' well-being. This principle is crucial for entrepreneurs and professionals who want to increase their earning potential. Saving and investing, the core principles. In Robbins' financial philosophy, wealth creation is a long-term game. While many focus on making more money, Robbins stresses that it's equally important to save and invest wisely. Here are some of his core principles for building and preserving wealth. A. Pay yourself first. This is a timeless piece of financial advice that Robbins reinforces. Paying yourself first means that before you pay bills, buy groceries, or make discretionary purchases, you set aside a portion of your income for savings or investment. Robbins suggests saving at least 10 to 20% of your income, ensuring you're consistently building a financial cushion that can be invested to grow over time. The power of compound interest. One of the cornerstones of Robbins' financial advice is understanding the magic of compound interest. The earlier you start investing, the more time your money has to grow exponentially. For example, even small amounts invested consistently over decades can lead to significant wealth due to compounding. Robbins highlights the importance of starting early and staying consistent with your investments to harness this powerful financial tool. C. Diversification is key. Robbins strongly advocates for diversification when it comes to investing. He suggests building a portfolio that includes various asset classes, stocks, bonds, real estate, and alternative investments. Diversification helps reduce risk and ensures that your wealth isn't overly dependent on the performance of any one sector or asset type. This principle is especially important for risk management, as financial markets can be unpredictable. 3. Smart investments. The all-seasons portfolio. In Money, Master the Game, Robbins introduces the concept of the all-seasons portfolio, inspired by Ray Dalio, the billionaire founder of Bridgewater Associates. This portfolio is designed to perform well in any market condition by balancing risk and reward. Here's a breakdown of the strategy. A. Asset allocation. The all-seasons portfolio allocates assets across different categories to ensure stability. Robbins and Dalio suggest the following allocation: 30% stocks for growth, 15% intermediate-term bonds for stability, 40% long-term bonds for income and deflation protection, 7.5% commodities for inflation protection, 7.5% gold for currency and inflation protection. The idea behind this portfolio is that no matter what happens in the economy, whether it's inflation, deflation, a bull market, or a bear market, this mix will protect your assets and provide consistent returns. Robbins emphasizes the importance of adjusting your portfolio to manage risk, rather than trying to time the market, which even professionals often fail to do. B. Avoiding high fees. One of Robbins's key pieces of investment advice is to avoid high fees that can eat into your returns over time. He cautions investors to be mindful of hidden fees, particularly in mutual funds and actively managed investment vehicles. Instead, he advocates for low-cost index funds and ETFs, which generally offer lower fees and track the overall performance of the market. 4. Financial independence, the 5 levels of wealth. Tony Robbins introduces the concept of financial independence through a framework of 5 levels of wealth, each representing a different stage of financial freedom. The goal is to progress through these stages, eventually achieving complete financial independence. A. Financial security. This first level involves covering your basic needs, housing, utilities, food, and transportation, without relying on your job. It's the foundation of financial freedom and involves having enough passive income or savings to cover these essentials. B. Financial vitality. At this stage, Robbins suggests covering more than just basic needs. Financial vitality includes covering 50% of your discretionary spending, like entertainment, dining out, or vacations, in addition to basic expenses. The idea is that you've begun to enjoy some of life's luxuries without worrying about money. Financial independence. Financial independence means that you've built enough passive income to cover all your living expenses. At this point, you no longer need to work to maintain your lifestyle, as your investments generate enough income to support you. 5. Giving back. The secret to living is giving. In addition to his advice on accumulating wealth, Tony Robbins emphasizes the importance of giving back. He often repeats the phrase, "The secret to living is giving," and argues that true wealth comes not from what you accumulate, but from what you contribute to others. Robbins encourages individuals to give a portion of their wealth, regardless of how much they have. This doesn't just apply to monetary donations. Contributing time, energy, and knowledge can also have a profound impact on others and your own sense of fulfillment. Giving back not only enriches your life, but also helps create a positive feedback loop, attracting more abundance into your life. Tony Robbins' approach to financial freedom is a holistic one. It blends practical financial advice with personal development principles, emphasizing that building wealth requires both the right mindset and smart strategies. From shifting your beliefs about money to adopting disciplined investment habits, Robbins' teachings provide a comprehensive guide to achieving financial independence. By mastering the psychology of wealth, creating a diversified portfolio, and progressing through the stages of financial freedom, anyone can build a life of abundance. Ultimately, Robbins reminds us that true wealth is not just about having money. It's about living a fulfilled life and contributing to the well-being of others.